So you're a sales professional and you've heard you gotta use video, but you're wondering in HubSpot, in the CRM, in my emails, how would I, if I could create video? Well, that's what we're gonna cover. You, the sales rep, you video, you selling better. You know what time it is. Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk. All right, so as a sales professional, one of the things that we don't want to do is leave paragraphs and paragraphs and paragraphs of copy in an email, knowing that nobody will ever read it. What we do want to do is create video that they can hit one button, they can watch it, they can enjoy it, and we can present ourselves as thought leaders and start to build trust, which is the most important part of any sales communication, in an instant. Since we subtly covered the why a second ago, let's cover the how and jump into a HubSpot portal. So as you can see, we're in a HubSpot portal and I am in contacts and then the contacts of George B. Thomas, and I'm in the email tool. Now, once you're in the email tool, creating video is super easy. You can come down here to the video icon and you can click on that video icon. You're gonna get a pop-up, and of course this is powered by VidYard. VidYard and HubSpot have recently, since Inbound 2018, collided together to be awesome. One of the things that you're gonna notice is that you do have historical videos that will show up. A pro tip is to create 5, 10, 15, 20, if you have them, frequently asked questions in video format, so you have this bank of videos that you can go to and easily answer questions without having to answer them over and over and over again. Anyway, back to the actual sales video. Now, to create a new video, what you're going to do is, of course, hit this new video. But before you do, one of the things I want you to see is that you can search your videos once you get a larger bank of them. And if you need help, you're going to be able to go to help, about, or sign out of your VidYard account. Now, for this, we're going to hit new video, and then we can see that we can do a camera recording, we can do a screen recording, or if we've already recorded a video, we can upload that video. Now, upload a video, what does that mean? Well, if you're trying to be superhuman, authentic, transparent, whatever you want to use, you could record a video with a webcam or your cell phone or some other camera, have it on your desktop, and go ahead and upload it. It might be for a very non-produced video or a very produced video. Either way, you'll be able to upload a video. But for most of these responses, you're going to want to just simply record a video. So let's look deeper into that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select a screen recording for this case. The first time that you do this, one of the things that you need to make sure is that you have the VidYard Go Video Chrome extension installed. So let's go ahead and click on that button. That's going to bring us to a page where we can add it to Chrome. Once we get it added to Chrome, by simply hitting this Add to Chrome button, we're going to be able to add that extension, and then that extension is added in here for our Go Video, and we can simply do some allowing. So as you can see, the extension, if not installed, is only a couple clicks away, and it automatically kept us signed in or signed us into that extension based upon us being signed into VidYard and HubSpot. And now you'll see that we have this Start Recording button. It's going to ask us if we want to do the entire screen. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and we'll go ahead and click Share. Now it's going to count down, and what we'll be able to do is actually see that we have a pause button here and a stop button here, and that time is going, and that I am recording the screen. So let me go ahead and hit stop, and it's going to say give us a couple seconds, and boom, look at this. Here is the video that we recorded of the desktop of us recording this video, which is super interesting. Now you can also go ahead and go back, and you'll see that it lives here. I can hit this check mark and I can hit insert, and now my video is inserted into here. Once it's clicked on, it will take me to a HubSpot VidYard page where I can actually have them watch that video. Now, these pages are customizable, but that's not what this video is about. So let's go ahead and dive back into this. So once that's inserted, you are good to go. You'll write a couple lines of information above or under, whichever, or both, but now you've got a video in your email. So now that we've talked about the why and we've talked about the how, let's talk about the what. With most of these videos, your idea, your goal, your strategy is not going to be try to get on video and sell. You're trying to use video to humanize your brand, and that can be the corporate brand and the personal brand. And so what I want you to think, and of course you can choose your own words wrapped around this, is how can you be the most happy, helpful human in these videos? It is about the information that they're looking for. It is about removing any hurdles or roadblocks in their own mind, and about tasking them with a next action, whether it's watching the video that we're creating, whether it's watching other videos after they watch the one that we're creating, or reading blog articles, or signing up for a demo. But the idea is being helpful and giving them something action oriented to move forward with. Look, it's that simple. You know the why, you know the how, and you know the what. Simply go out and create great sales video using HubSpot video, VidYard video. The combination is a 1-2 punch. You're going to do amazing. I'd love to see some examples. Make sure you email me a video and say, hey, here's my first video, or second, or fifth, or seventh. Anyway, do you like these tutorials, these updates, these interviews we're throwing down? Then make sure you check us out at sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right into our private Facebook group where we can carry on this conversation. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio or /video, where you as a sales professional can watch the podcast or listen to the podcast, whichever way you like to learn. Make sure you check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel, where you can hit the likes, the bells, the subscribes, just so we know that you're part of the community. Also, do you need training past this tutorial? That's what we do. Sales and marketing workshops, 1 and 2 days, as well as weekly training. That's what we do. Check the description below. Hey, make sure you create video. Make sure you stay a happy, helpful human in those videos, because you know what it is. It's all about going out and creating some happy HubSpotting.